Today we're going to be telling you how to build a cheap bike stand for under $20. First off, you want to go to a hardware store. And then you're going to pick out your wood planks, and I recommend getting a 6-foot plank, 4-foot plank, 2-foot plank, and 3 1-foot planks. If you go to Ace Hardware, they have complimentary popcorn, which is pretty dope. And then you're going to take your planks home, and then you're going to take out your 4-foot plank and measure it in half. Then you're going to take your 6-foot plank and lay it on top of the middle of the 4-foot plank. And then you're going to take out the drill and drill a screw in the middle of it so it's really sturdy. And then you're going to take out a 1-foot plank and lay it on top of the 6-foot plank where you just drilled, and you're going to put another screw in that to make it really sturdy. Then you're going to take out a woodworking hot glue gun. Then you're going to take out 3 1-foot pieces and lay them 2 in the front so that way it's sturdy and 1 in the back. Then you're going to take out your hot glue again and glue them there because it's hard to get nails and stuff there. Then you're going to take out one of your wood planks, and then you're going to cut it into small pieces. The size doesn't really matter as long as they're relatively small. And you're going to glue the small pieces in between the cracks of this bike stand so that way it's really sturdy. And then you're going to glue one of those on the front of it so that way it doesn't wobble forward and stuff. And then once you're done with that, you're done with the bottom. Now you just have to do the stuff for the bike. So you're going to cut 2 1-foot pieces, and you're going to put glue on them, and then you're going to put them at the top corner and hold them there till they're dry. And then once you're done with gluing them, you're going to take back out that drill and drill in the screws. And then once the screws are in, your bike stand is done, and you can choose to put it anywhere in your garage, and